The Scudo Chrome Square Bottle Trap is an exceptional solution for your drain system. This bottle trap is made from durable stainless steel and finished elegantly with high-quality chrome, adding a touch of sophistication to your bathroom while assuring optimal functionality. Installing the Scudo Chrome Square Bottle Trap is a breeze due to its threaded nut connection, providing a secure and leak-free connection every time. You can say goodbye to unwanted materials clogging up your drain system, as this trap efficiently prevents them from entering, giving you peace of mind and hassle-free maintenance. The Scudo Chrome Square Bottle Trap goes beyond just preventing clogs. It also maintains a water seal to prevent odours from sneaking back into your space, making it a worry-free drain system that complements your modern lifestyle. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo bottle traps range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.